Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're discussing which is better, which is more popular, Cash App or Coinbase. Welcome back to another analysis video. Today we're taking a look at Cash App and Coinbase. Cash App is more of a peer-to-peer money sending app. They also have a card that gives you discounts on stuff that you can see on the screen here. But Cash App also has Bitcoin functionality and allows you to purchase and store Bitcoin within their app. Now Coinbase is specifically for cryptocurrencies. You can send cryptocurrencies peer-to-peer, but it's all crypto. And while Cash App only has Bitcoin, Coinbase has many coins and tokens here like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Trash, Litecoin, and more. So the first thing that I want to look at is the handy dandy Google Trends. So we're going to type in Cash App. And we're looking at the interest over time. So this is the interest over past 12 months. Let's go to 5 years. That'll give us a good window here. So Cash App is really growing over 5 years. Let's add in Coinbase here so we can compare them. Okay, so Coinbase had a huge spike the last time Bitcoin spiked, and then it kind of fell off, and you can see Cash App gradually growing. Let's type in Cash App Bitcoin versus Coinbase Bitcoin. Let's do past 90 days. Okay, so you can see Coinbase was much more popular here in red, and Cash App is starting to grow. It's starting to catch them, and they're very similar over the past few months here. And I'm just going to tell you guys from my experience, I've used Cash App and Coinbase extensively. 100% Cash App is easier to use, easier to buy Bitcoin, faster to buy Bitcoin, all of the above for Bitcoin. Cash App is easier to use, and they also allow easy peer-to-peer transactions. And they have a dope credit card that allows you to get some solid discounts on lots of places. Now Coinbase is pretty good once you get set up. It's pretty easy, and over time they increase your limits and stuff like that. But getting started on Coinbase is kind of a pain, and a lot of people have problems with it. So in my opinion, Coinbase is good if you want to buy chunks of crypto at a time and just kind of hold on to them. Cash App is good if you want to do all of the other stuff. You know, it's kind of like a bank with a lot of perks, to be honest. Another thing to know, on Coinbase you can earn a lot of free crypto right now. I will actually drop the link for this down in the description so you guys can come here and learn this as well. I think you need the invite code to even get into the earn crypto section, so go ahead and use mine if you'd like. In Coinbase, earn is really easy. They have tons of 1 to 2 minute videos, so you watch the video and then you answer a multiple choice question, and it's actually a really good learning tool for crypto. So once you answer the question, you're gonna get like somewhere between $1 and $10 of crypto depending on what it is. So I highly recommend doing this as well. But there's kind of the breakdown for Cash App versus Coinbase. If you're looking to just get started, buy some Bitcoin, I recommend Cash App. Also do tons of Cash App videos on my channel. Check out the Cash App playlist, link down below. There's hundreds of videos. That's it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard.